On traders, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be going over the four stocks that I traded today. Um, Apple, AMD, JP Morgan, and Microsoft. So let's begin. Taking a look at my first trade, I took a position on AMD. As you can see, took a position looking for a continuation of the move and also looking at SPY, anticipating a move at least to 47 on AMD. So I took a position on AMD at 46.61. So I got filled in at this candle after it broke over the previous high of these three candles. Anticipating a breakout of this, a breakout of this resistance, and a continuation, hopefully to 47 bucks. So took my position, had my stop loss here. The real stop loss should have been 10 cents. I had it at 20 cents. Looking back at it, I really don't understand why. This was a 10-cent stop. So that was I just um I just missed out on double profit, so but whatever. Um yep, got filled here on the break of these three previous candles. Um Looked for a breakout, got a push up, an immediate rejection. I ended up taking a partial around here because we had broken out of the previous resistance and we were now pulling back to it. I didn't really want to hold and possibly get a false breakout, so I just took my profit. I let my shares run. It couldn't hold over this 46.81, and I ended up selling the rest of my shares on this candle for a $54 profit. Like I said, I should have gone in double shares of what I had because the real stop was half of what I was risking. And also, I should have waited for the candle to close for sure. And then also wait to see if it went because I would have still probably been able to sell for profit. So, yep, that was AMD. Now, looking at my other winner, which was on Apple. I took a position on Apple at 248.25. So now if we get a line and go 248.25. 248.25. Wow. Jeez. Alright, so I took a position on Apple at 248.25. Reason being is we had a breakout of 248 level. It had a continuation of its move. I had a stop loss down here, which was about a dollar stop, and I don't know why I got in so late, really, unless it was a bad fill. Terrible entry. Um, if I didn't get in at least here, there was no reason to get in. Um, I got it with a $40 profit. I think I sold around once this candle closed and it started pulling back. Once it had a pullback in and then it closed over here, um, I sold for about a $40 profit. Really, really not a good trade. Not a good trade at all. Um, terrible fill. Um, Terrible fill. Not a. I mean, it was a good idea. Consolidation, looking for a breakout. Bad fill though. Got out with profit. So I took a position on JP Morgan, which I took a position at 84.91. So if we get a line, 84.91. I got a loser on this trade. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I was looking for a breakdown, and once again, I got into a false breakdown. Well, not once again, but yesterday I got into a false breakdown. Now, a way I could have contradicted it and not even had this loss, um, should have waited for a closing candle below at least this support level, or at least see it crack fully. Crack it a couple cents. But looking back at this was chasing. Um, I can see why I took it. I was anticipating a breakdown, but there was no confirmation. There was no reason to take this trade. So yeah, chasing on that one. I deserved that loss, so can't really say nothing about it other than. So now Microsoft, oh man, this was a terrible trade. 157.30. 157 157.30. So look, I was looking for a scalp since I noticed we broke over the resistance, and I was looking for a continuation of the move. So I end up getting my push up. I was looking for the breakout of this originally. So once I noticed it was holding above 157, I saw this as a support level, and then it came down, pushed back up. I tried to get filled in 15 cents early because I had a very, very tight stop. I had a large amount of shares, and I did not want to hold this through like any type of pullbacks or anything. I just wanted to get my immediate push up, and so I ended up getting filled 15 cents late. So terrible fill automatically. I got an opening candle. Started pushing back. I mean pulling back, and I just sold. um, Reason why I sold, when you get filled in 15 cents late, and you originally planned for like um about a 30-cent stop, and you're getting 15 cents, you're risking 20 more cents than what you're originally risking, and that's almost a whole nother R. So when I was going down into red, I was already in a bad state of mind because of my fill. Got an immediate rejection, and I just got shook out. So that's what happens. As you can see, I don't know. I've just been getting terrible fills all day. I really haven't even noticed. Um, Usually I get my fills right, but I mean, this happens. Maybe I'm chasing. Maybe it's just me. Most likely it's just me. I'm not here to blame anything else. But yep. So that's how my day finished off. Pretty much break even. Well, if you guys want to know the number, I'm up about $30, but pretty much break even. And so yep. Um, that's gonna conclude this recap video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna leave my Discord down below if you guys want to join our free community of like-minded individuals where we talk about stocks and go over some plays and learn from each other. So if that interests you in any way, I'm gonna leave the link down below, and we'll see you there. Thanks for watching.